You've got a brand new Subaru, and the road ahead is bright. But sometimes the unexpected happens. And if your new car is totaled or stolen, you could be left footing part of the bill. Let's see an example. Say you purchased your vehicle for $30,000. If your insurance company determines your vehicle is a total loss, they'll pay a settlement based on the market value of the vehicle at the time of loss. In this example, $22,000 could be considered a fair settlement. However, this would leave you to cover the gap, a balance of $8,000 you'd be paying out of pocket. Nobody should have to make payments on a vehicle they no longer have. So, we're here to help. Subaru Equity Shield Guaranteed Asset Protection, or GAP, can help cover this unexpected expense. So if your car is totaled, the last thing you'll have to worry about is being stuck paying the difference between your settlement and what you may still owe on your loan. And with Subaru Equity Shield GAP Plus, you can also receive $1,000 toward the purchase of a replacement vehicle. At Subaru, you're part of our family, and our extended coverage plans are designed to keep you safe, on the road, and driving worry-free. When you're ready to purchase or lease your next car, ask about Subaru Equity Shield GAP.